Yo, welcome to another YouTube video. It's your boy Brian, Mr. Gates. Let's just go through the market, see what happened, what could happen in the new week. So I had um I had my levels marked out. I had my levels marked out, looking for a higher dollar previous weeks. Oh no, wait, let me see. Let's go to the weekly chart. Come on now. So weekly chart. We're talking about this imbalance, right? That would be nice for price to come and meet it. What I marked out yesterday was previous week's high as a form of support, and we didn't really we traded um, above the previous week's high, you know. So on a 4 hour time frame, remember I had this key level here, the 4 hour order block, and it's holding. So I am expecting still to see a higher dollar in the moment until something changes. Coming to the euro was these levels I broke them down on Friday. That we're still short. Wanted to see how we react around this area, which is a weekly fair value gap. All right, so I was expecting protraction, meaning I was expecting a rally higher for us to close this imbalance, as you can see over here, which is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, but we did not. Instead, our price came and found resistance by this breaker block. This is a daily bullish breaker block. Hope it's straight. Daily 62, 62. All right, sharp. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, we opened, traded a little bit up by we traded higher, but not that high over the new week opening price, and then slammed lower. So we're still bearish, looking for bearish entries. I just want to see if there's okay, these are too many levels. This over here needs to go. Steady level needs to go. Looks like price won't come back here, but I'll keep that. Okay, daily breaker, it's also high. What level is this? For the daily. Just see what level is that. Oh, okay. I was marking out this level, I believe, which is a daily fair value gap. Just scroll out. Okay. Let me actually remove this level as well. Just keep the charts clean. All right, so we're trading into the fair value gap, but we're still trading, we're piercing into it. We have a daily bullish breaker. If price does decide to go higher, then I would love to see I would love to see entries for shorts here. But nonetheless, this is the new week's opening price. We just traded a little bit and then we slammed, broke structure, found support by this fair value gap over here, the 15-minute time frame. Let me mark it out. Fair value gap, boom, went lower. So if you went in here, 1 to 2 would have been achieved easily. Easily, right? So what I'm looking at, my game plan is I would love to see the euro trade higher first, trade higher above these highs tomorrow, and then break structure, then I'll retest going lower for previous days low. Coming to the cable, starting on the weekly time frame, we already had levels marked out. That's this daily trend line. All right, so we traded into this weekly fair value gap. Oh, I didn't mark out the levels yesterday. I didn't mark out the levels yesterday. All right. I understand my confusion now. All right. So it would be nice to see price come up here. So if you look at this, there's a breaking correlation between the euro and the dollar. They should going higher. So we're looking for, it would be nice to see shorts here. I have a high here and a low over there. We're trading in discount. So it would be nice to see price give us short entries, you know, short entries for the downside. Because that's the open. opening price, went high, broke the opening price, created a fair value gap. So this fair value gap could have been the entry. Boom, stop loss over here. 122, done. 122. Simple trading. You could have even gotten a 124, 2% risk. You'd have passed the profile challenge. But I wasn't looking at this market today. I traded the German 40 longs. And yesterday I had this fair value gap marked out. Price respected it, and I went higher. I just closed my positions here. There's a gap on the platform I trade with. I was aiming for that, but I didn't. So I closed like a 1.8 risk to reward. So the plan here is if this fair value gap holds, let me see if we have a lower fair value gap. We're creating order blocks. This is an order block right here. We broke it, came to retest it, and then went on higher. So it's looking like a market maker buy model, right? Where we're looking for buy levels. So this consolidation right here would be nice if we can take it out. But I'm looking for a retest of these levels. Would be nice for us to come into discount. Then I can go long and hold for today's high. But yeah, we'll see what the market does. Euro, I mean, US 30. US 30 broke this level, which is a daily fair value gap. Yeah, we're trading above it, right? So it would be nice to see. I was expecting indices to also go higher. So it would be nice to see this pair also shoot higher, right? We have a fair value gap over there, came back in the PM session and shot up, taking out these intermediate highs. So there's a fair value gap up here that we created last Friday, which would be nice if we can get there before CPI. So tomorrow I'm expecting open low, take out these lows, right? And then shoot on higher. US 100, we traded through this fair value gap. Look at that, we tested it and then we shot down lower. So that means the NAS is the weaker sister compared to ES. Actually, let me do this so that you can see smart money technique called break-in correlation. Break-in correlation. So we're breaking up the fair value gap. So if we remain bullish, that will be a nice target. In the 15-minute time frame for the US 100, we're creating highs, still choppy price action, but it would be nice to see longs. And on this one, man, look at that, came clean into this daily fair value gap. Just go to the daily, yeah. Mark that fair value gap, came in, beautiful price action, bro. Damn it. Pushed up higher. We left the fair value gap over there. So I would love to see price come back to this order block tomorrow. This is for US 500. Let's see how we react around this level. Looking for this level to be hit. After that, I'm targeting these levels up here. All right. So that's all. Let's see how the week turns out. There is CPI, so maybe tomorrow price could be a little bit choppy. Nonetheless, stay safe. Stay safe. Happy trading. Until the next video.